Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a ideal investment property in Buckfield. Walking distance to the town center and all major amenities in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is configured for 3 flats, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom flat, and a 2 identical 1-bedroom flats. All self-contained property has 3 kitchens. There is an approved building plan to accommodate further expansions. The property can be easily reconfigured to accommodate a single family, making it ideal for a variety of options for primary residence, vacation, or investment property. The land area of this house is approximately 4,900 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34.9 million or US $226,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.